Good morning, children. Please, all of you, open your English literature book to page number 105. Today, we will study the new chapter, that is Eugenie and the Sharks. What are sharks, children? Sharks are sea animal. It is a type of fish which is found in the sea. Okay, so it is a sea animal. Put your finger, all of you. Little Eugenie loved spending time at the city aquarium. She loved the smell of the salty and damp air and watched her favorite animals for hours, the sharks. She always wondered what would it be like to swim with them and breathe underwater with gills of my own. Now, children, in this first paragraph, Eugenie, she loved spending time at the city aquarium. Aquarium means it is a place where many fish are kept. You all have seen aquarium, children. In aquarium, water is there, clean water is there, fish is there, many water plants are there, colorful stones are there, and it is made of glass. It is transparent so that you can see. So here Eugenie spent a lot of time near aquarium because she loved watching her favorite animal, that is shark. She loved the salty and damp air. Damp air means numb. एक्वेरियम में चूँकि पानी रहता है तो वहाँ का अगल बगल का जो सराउंडिंग है वो हल्का नम रहता है, तो वो यूजीनी को बहुत पसंद था. एंड यूजीनी शी यूज्ड टू थिंक, काश हम भी शार्क के साथ स्विम करते और उनके साथ पानी में रह के हम अपने ब्रीदिंग ऑर्गन से हम सांस लेते. Here, children, breathing organ fish का क्या होता है? Gills. Breathing organs क्या होता है, children? Gills. And through this gills, fish breathe. So here, Eugenie also wants that she should also have the gills of her own so that she can breathe under water. Put your finger now. People around Eugenie felt that sharks were ugly and scary, but she knew they were interesting creatures. She decided to learn everything about all kinds of sharks: tiger sharks, whale sharks, lemon sharks, and nurse sharks. She even joined an aquarium society to learn more about them. Now, children, Eugenie loved sharks a lot. On the other hand, children, people around Eugenie, they don't like sharks. They thought that they were ugly. मतलब शार्क जो है वो लोग इसलिए नहीं पसंद करते थे क्योंकि उन लोगों को लगता था जो शार्क है वो अगली है, वो सुंदर नहीं दिखती है, वो कुरूप है और भयानक होती है. इसीलिए पीपल डोंट लाइक द शार्क, बट यूजीनी लाइक द शार्क अ लॉट. और शी डिसाइडेड टू लर्न एवरीथिंग अबाउट देम. She decided to learn everything about them, and so she liked all kinds of sharks. कौन कौन सा शार्क था जो यूजीनी को पसंद था? टाइगर शार्क, व्हेल शार्क, लेमन शार्क एंड नर्स शार्क. ये सारा जो है यूजीनी इनके बारे में पढ़ना चाहती थी. और ये इवन एक्वेरियम सोसाइटी भी ज्वाइन की. एक्वेरियम सोसाइटी मीन्स चिल्ड्रन जहाँ पे एक्वेरियम बनता है, जहाँ पे कई सारे फिश रहते हैं, वो सारा वहाँ पे उनके बारे में पढ़ने के लिए वो क्या की, एक्वेरियम सोसाइटी ज्वाइन की वो. ओके. Now children, here, what is the tiger shark? The fourth largest shark in the world. Whale shark, the largest known fish species. Lemon sharks, shallow water sharks that move from one place to another. Nurse shark, shark that spend a lot of time resting at the bottom of the sea. All the meanings of different sharks' name is given there. One day Eugenie's mother surprised her with an aquarium of her own. The tank was too small for sharks, but had clownfish, coral red snails and guppies in it. It felt like a big ocean in her room. Eugenie spent all her time looking at the fish. Now children, यूजीनीज मदर शी गेव्ड हर अ सरप्राइज. एक दिन यूजीनी की मम्मी उसको सरप्राइज दी. एंड व्हाट वाज द सरप्राइज? दैट शी ब्रॉट एक्वेरियम फॉर हर. वो यूजीनी के लिए एक्वेरियम लाई एंड शी केप्ट दिस एक्वेरियम इन हर रूम. एक्वेरियम was not so big, it was small, but it was full of fish, small fish. It was full of small fish. Shark was not there, but it was full of small fish, that is clownfish, coral red snails and guppies. Now children, you can see the meaning of clownfish, a kind of fish that lives in salt water. Coral red snails, kinds of sea snails. Guppies, fresh water aquarium fish. Now children, these are the meanings of the words given in red color. So mother brought aquarium for Eugenie. Eugenie loved that aquarium and she spent most of her time near aquarium. Eugenie's room was small, but due to aquarium, but since aquarium was there, in her room, it felt like it was like a ocean. It felt like a big ocean in her room. उसका रूम छोटा था और ये एक्वेरियम जब रखा गया था तो ऐसा लग रहा था कि मानो कमरे में ही समुद्र आ गया. Because aquarium, the tank was small, the room was also small, and everywhere there was the smell of salty and damp air. So it felt that ocean was already in her room. Now children, turn your page.